up YouTube? It's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun journey crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this super cute straight headband wig. Y'all already know your girl has been loving the headband wig trend because it's so easy. You don't need no lace, no glue, no gel, no nothing to get a super cute, sleek, natural look. So this hair is from Beautyforever hair. It's their headband wig in their straight texture, their Brazilian straight, and this hair is 18 inches and it's super cute. I absolutely love it. It was super easy to install, and I also show you guys 2 ways that you can style this hair as well. This hair is so soft. It is extremely soft, so soft, okay? Especially when you put heat on it, it gets even more softer. I absolutely love it. So special thanks to Beautyforever for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys want to see how I got to this look, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so today we are going to be doing a headband wig install. Y'all know I've been loving these headband wigs because they're just so easy breezy, versatile, very lazy girl friendly, okay? Because sometimes I don't have the time to be doing my hair all the time, okay? So I'm super excited for today's install. Today's hair is sponsored by Beautyforever, and they sent me over their gorgeous straight headband wig. This hair is in 18 inches and it's this like dark brown blackish color, so it's super natural, very nice. The hair is so soft, and as you guys can see, it has a lot of like body and movement, and it's very pretty. So I'm super excited. And along with the headband wig, they also sent me 2 headbands as well. So they sent this really cute black and white polka dot headband, super cute. And then they also sent me this pink one. These companies know your girl loves pink, so they're always sending me some type of pink headband, which I appreciate. So they did send over this pink one, and it has like flamingos and stuff on it, so it's super cute. And then they also sent some lashes as well. I do notice that a lot of these companies are sending these like lashes over, which I personally love because your girl loves lashes, so I love these. They also sent some wig caps. Anytime you order wigs, you do get some wig caps, so they just send over, you know, the normal wig caps that you always get with your wigs. And then they also sent a hair card that just shows all of the hair textures and closures and everything that they carry. It also gives their like return policy and stuff on it, and just like some information about how to take care of your hair and everything like that. So if you are a beginner to the whole wig game and human hair and everything, then these cards are super helpful for you. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and get started with the hair install. So like I said before, this is their Brazilian straight headband wig, and it is in 18 inches. I'm gonna have all of the hair specs and all of that information down below in the description box. So if you guys are interested, definitely go and check it out down below. So this is what the hair looks like. Like I mentioned, it is a headband wig, so of course you have your headband on the top. For the construction of the wig, you do get 2 combs here at the side. There's also one here at the top that's in the middle, and then there's a comb at the bottom here as well. And then of course you also have your Velcro straps to help make the wig tighter or looser or however you want it to be. So we're gonna go ahead and put this wig on. So super simple. I'm just going to take the combs and slide them into my hair. I do currently have my hair braided, so I'm just gonna tuck them into my braids. So I inserted that comb. I'm gonna do that one, and I'm gonna do the one in the middle, like so. And then I'm going to secure the comb in the back. And then I'm just gonna fix the Velcro as well. So this part is super easy. You just connect the Velcro straps, making it as tight or as loose as you want. Just like that. So now that I have the hair installed into my head, what I like to do is I like to fold my headband over the hair. So this is all of the headband space that we have to work with. I like to just fold it over like so, just so my edges and stuff can be exposed. So I just fold it like this. and now you can see that my edges are exposed. And of course you can do your edges to your liking. Y'all know your girl ain't into them fancy edges and stuff because I don't know how to do all the cool swoops and stuff, so your girl did a little something something on the sides. But yeah, so this is what the hair is looking like straight out of the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and comb it a little bit just to get out any tangles. This hair is so soft, you guys. It is extremely soft. It is so pretty. I love how flowy it is. All right, you guys, so here is what the hair is looking like straight out of the packaging. I combed her and this is what she looks like. It is super pretty. This hairstyle was so easy to achieve. You don't have to worry about no lace, no glue, no gel, no nothing. It is just so easy breezy. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the headbands that came with the wig. So I'm gonna try a pink one first because y'all know your girl's favorite color is pink. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on and fix the hair accordingly. And I like to just put my headband on so that it covers the black band that's on the wig itself. Make sure that my edges are exposed to give it more of a natural look. And here we have our first headband look. This is so cute and pretty. Absolutely love it. So here is what the hair looks like. All right, you guys, so we are gonna go ahead and try on the other headband. We're gonna try on the black and white polka dot headband. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slide her on. So here is what this headband looks like. This is so cute. It's such a classic look. I think I'm gonna keep this headband wig on just because it's so neutral, and like I said, it's just a classic neutral look. So I absolutely love it. So yeah, you guys, this is what the hair is looking like. I'm absolutely loving it. I love the fact that I can get this natural, sleek look. So simple, so easy, so effortless. This took no time. It took like less than 10 minutes for me to complete this look, you guys. So I'm definitely loving that. You guys know that I love straight hair, and to be honest, you guys, the hair is not even bone straight anymore because obviously shipping and everything, it kind of loses its straightness. But I love this natural straight look. Like, it just looks natural. It looks like I woke up like this hair, like, you know, it's really, really pretty. But for the sake of this video, I am gonna run my flat iron through this hair just to get it a little bit more bone straight. So let's go ahead and straighten her out. Okay, so I have my Remington straightener here. This straightener is from Amazon. If you guys want a link to this, then I'll definitely link it down below. So let me know if you guys want a link to this hair straightener. But I'm just gonna use that to quickly straighten out the hair. I'm gonna take really big sections and just straighten the hair really quickly. So I'm just gonna fast forward this part because y'all don't want to watch me straighten my hair. So let's just fast forward this clip. All right, you guys, so I did go ahead and straighten out this hair really quickly just so it's a little bit more bone straight. And you guys, after running the hair straightener through the hair feels even softer. Like, it was soft already, but now it feels extra soft. So that is amazing. I absolutely love the way that this hair feels. It's very flowy, it's very soft. Absolutely love it. So here's what she's looking like after she has been straightened out. She's a little bit more bone straight now, so I think she looks super, super cute. So yeah, so I wanted to come on here and show you guys a few different ways that I would style my straight headband wig. So of course we're gonna do a few hairstyles for you guys. So the first one that I'm gonna do is just a simple ponytail. I'm just gonna take my hair scrunchie here. I'm just gonna catch up the hair into one ponytail. So I'm gonna take my big comb here. It would probably be better with a brush, but I'm just gonna comb the hair back first just to make sure there's no tangles or anything in the hair. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and catch everything up. And I like my ponytails high, so I am gonna make this a high ponytail. So here is the first hairstyle. It's just a simple little ponytail. This is going to be perfect for running errands, going to the gym, working out, just chilling at home on your just easy breezy chill days. Very Netflix and chill appropriate. Okay, so here is a look number 1. Okay, you guys, so for the second hairstyle, I'm gonna do my infamous half up, half down hairstyle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some hair towards the top, and I'm just gonna catch it up in a ponytail. So I'm just gonna section out as much hair that I want. Like so. Then I'm gonna take my hair scrunchie and just catch this up into a little ponytail. And here we have a look at number 2, this super cute and easy half up, half down look. So there you guys have it, 3 different ways you can style your headband wig. You can leave it down, of course. You can catch it up into a ponytail, or you can do a half up, half down hairstyle. However you choose, it's definitely gonna look cute, and you can definitely accessorize the hair to make it look nicer. So add cute little clips or anything to the hair if you would like. So yeah, my favorite is definitely just wearing the hair down. When it comes to straight hair, I just like for it to be long and flowy. So this is how I personally like to rock my straight headband wigs. So yeah, you guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy. Special thanks again to Beautyforever Hair for sponsoring this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, then definitely give it a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know if you guys are liking this hair. Remember that all of the specs and everything will be down in the description box below, so make sure you guys go and check it out. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss out on all the fun, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.